Samsung's flagship phones for 2020, all three Galaxy S20 devices have 5G. They also have brilliant AMOLED displays, reverse wireless charging and a water-resistant design. The Galaxy S20 has 3 rear cameras while the Plus and Ultra have 4. The price of S20 Ultra begin from $1,079. Also, this phones use Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, which produced with 7nm plus technology. With the 5G-enabled LG Velvet, the South Korean phone maker is trying something new. The Velvet doesn't belong to any of the company's established lines, like the G and V series. It looks different than most LG phones and at $599 in the US. The Velvet has a sharp and vibrant 6.8-inch OLED screen. It also has a 60 Hz display, which is common on most phones. The Velvet works with a dual-screen accessory that adds a second screen. With the second screen you can multitask and display 2 apps at the same time, or expand certain apps across both screens so they work together like a tablet. The next phone is coming from China, though it is not coming to the US. The OnePlus Nord is an affordable 5G offering from Chinese phone maker. The phone cost is $715 for 128GB storage and 8GB RAM and features a 6.44-inch display. Also, it has 4 rear cameras and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Rivals such as Google Pixel 4a. Equipped with Samsung's S Pen Smart Stylus, the Galaxy Note 20 and 20 Ultra are pricey, ultra-premium phones with expansive screens and 5G. They also have triple rear camera setups, the high-powered Snapdragon 865 Plus processor and reverse wireless charging.
Looking really good.
The company says that pricing for the 4A 5G will start at $499, potentially making it one of the more affordable 5G devices available. Rivals such as the LG Velvet 5G and Samsung Galaxy A71 5G each start at $600. The Pixel 4a without 5G will start at $349.
Introducing the new Pixel 4a. It's our most helpful phone yet. Here's the formula for making a successful Pixel 4a sale. Firstly, a helpful price. It's an amazing deal. You can capture stunning color and detail with Pixel 4a's camera. Save all your photos and videos at high quality with free unlimited storage with Google Photos, or with the included 128GB of onboard storage. Shoot crisp shots in low light, choose the best photo, and make it look amazing with portrait mode. Even shoot the night sky with astrophotography, all in one beautiful package. The Pixel 4a has amazing power, 6GB of RAM, and a battery that can fast charge to keep you going all day. With adaptive battery, the Pixel 4a learns your favorite apps and reduces power to the ones you rarely use. We've built strong protection into the Pixel 4a. The Titan M chip keeps things private and safe. And our new car crash detection will call emergency responders if you've been in a car crash. The Pixel 4a has the new Google Assistant built in from the ground up. Open apps hands-free, multitask seamlessly, or ask Google anything. Whatever it is, make Google do it with Google Assistant. Remember the formula for making a successful Pixel 4a sale: price, photos, power, protection, and assistant.